Karen and John. Hello, John.
My testimony is about Jesus healing me from chronic snoring last week down in your rooms.
Oh, you were here in the studio?
Yes.
Wow. So tell us about the problem.
I had really bad snoring. It used to keep my wife up many hours, and the rest of my family used to shake the windows in the house. It was that bad.
You used to shake the windows in the house? That's a stretch of the imagination. Sounds like a semi-trailer.
It was really bad. I used to wear a mouthguard type thing to try and reduce it. So,
okay, so you came to the meeting in the studio last week. What happened?
Well, you asked me what I need praying for. I said chronic snoring. And then you tapped me on the head, and it felt like the power of God just hit me like a big hammer and knocked me on the floor.
A big hammer knocked you on the floor, John?
Yes.
Straight from heaven.
There's a lot of power of God just going through. My whole body was trembling and shaking. But after about 10 minutes, when I got up off the floor, I could actually hear air breathing down through the back of my throat. And the back of my throat felt like it was all completely open, and I haven't snored since. So
wow.
praise God, he healed me.
Praise God. And I'm sure that the family is very happy that the windows aren't shaking.
Yes.
So what does Aaron say? Are you in the same house as your dad?
Yeah, we live together.
So what do you think about, did you have to wear earplugs or something?
My mum did, but I just keep my door closed.
So what do you think about your dad being healed?
I think it's fantastic. We were both there last weekend, so it was just so beautiful to see it. It was just instant. It was just magnificent. God's just so good.